In this example, we'd like to find the bearing from Christopher's point to this special mark in the middle of the traffic separation scheme. To do that, we're going to use a Portland plotter. The first thing we need to do is to draw the line of that bearing. So we're going to line the edge of the Portland plotter up and draw that line. Because we want to know the bearing from Christopher's point to the buoy, we make sure the arrow, the direction of bearing arrow on our plotter, is pointing in that direction. Now we have two choices now. We can either line that line up with this side of the plotter, or we can line it up with the other side of the plotter. It doesn't matter. Let's imagine we lined it up this side of the plotter. As it's set up there, it does leave us with a problem, because we need to line up this section of the plotter with either the north-south lines on the chart or the east-west lines. And you can see that these lines and these lines don't go through that central section. We've got two choices. We can either shuffle the plotter down, or, as we're going to do in this case, we can move it across to where we drew the line originally, like that. So we can use either side of the plotter, remembering each time that we've got the direction of bearing arrow going in that direction. And by putting it here, you'll now notice, with a little bit of movement, that we've got both the north-south line and the east-west lines on the chart going through this section of the bearing.